Yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I'm here to do a crypto arbitrage as always. No, but before we go to today's lesson, please, on the 29th of this month, 29th November, we are having our monthly class. Yeah, so we are done with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So we are in November, and November 2, we are also having a class on the 29th of this month, and the ticket is just $10. So if you're buying it from Nigeria, it's 14,000 naira. If you're from Ghana, it's 100 Ghana cedis. You will see the link in my bio. If you're watching me from YouTube, you will see it in the comment section and in the description as well. Yeah. So let's go to today's lesson. Yeah. So today's lesson is exchange to black market strategy. Yeah. So I'll be using Solana. So you can see that on Bybit, Solana is 154.63, right? Yeah, it's 154.63, and I have already checked the address, and it's the same address. So if I come here to go to withdraw, I have to check and see the Solana address fee is $1.23 for Solana on Bybit. So let me also open OKX and check. OKX and check. OKX and check. That's what I'm saying, that all the exchange platforms have their own fees, right? Yeah. So let me check OKX. OKX too. OKX. OKX is 0 points. That's why I said I love OKX, right? Yeah, you can see that OKX is 0.38. 0.38. 0.38. Yeah, 0.38. And it's not even up to what? Up to $1. You can see it over here. The fee is 0.3. It's not even up to $1. So that's why I always prefer using OKX, because consider Bybit is 1.23 and OKX is 0.23, and we want profit. So I'll go with the OKX. Yeah. So when I come to the OKX right now, I'll go to the Solana, and you have to know that Solana, the price for Solana. Okay, let me compare for you to see. Solana is 154, and Bybit is also 154. You can see, yeah, it's also 154. So I prefer using OKX. I'll use the OKX. Yeah, so I'm buying Solana. So I'm buying Solana at 154, right? So it means that if I want profit, I have to sell it more than 154. And you have to know that we want profit. That's why we are buying it at a lower price, and we will sell it at a higher price, because we want what? Profit. Yeah. So if I have $100 capital, or let me use $30 capital, to do it, I'll be getting this amount of what? Of SOL. And I'll go to the exchange to exchange the SOL. And you have to know that you have to deduct the withdrawal fee from it. Yeah. So if I'm using $30, I'll be getting 33.8, meaning I've earned $3.8 as profit. And you have to know that the withdrawal fee is what? 0.3 something. So let's say 0.4. So I'll deduct it from the 8. So making me take home $3.4 as what? Profit on my $30 account. I'll be taking home $3.4 as profit on my what? $30 account. So imagine if I'm able to do this 10 times, I'm making, let's say I'm making $30. I'm making $30, and let's do this calculation well. 3.4 times 10 times, I'm making $34, right? $34 per day. So let's say a month, let's say 30. I'm making 1,002 on $30 profit, on $30 capital. I'm making $1,000 profit for a month. You see, yeah. That's why I'm saying that there are things that you need to learn it for. This one is a black market arbitrage, and it's for risk takers. The black market, I'm selling it for $40. It comes with the subscription and the mentorship as well. Now I'll mentor you on it. Yeah, it's just that, and I'll show you all the rules that you need to know. I'll show you everything. You see that thing? I'll show you everything. Some people, they will try and go and check it out, and they will end up losing their money. You need guidance on it, how to use it. You need guidance on how to use it. Don't go and rush to use it. You see that thing? Yeah. So on $30, I can make $1,000 a month as profit on this thing. And you have to know that we have many strategies to do crypto arbitrage. This one is just one strategy, and this one is a black market to exchange strategy. Yeah, that's for risk takers. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and if you join my class, I'll teach you everything. I'll teach you everything that you need to know about crypto arbitrage, all the strategies as well, from black market to exchange, exchange to exchange, same exchange, card to bank exchange, P2P arbitrage. I will show you everything. Yeah, I'll teach you everything. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and if you want to chat me,